In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a whip pan transition using Premiere Pro. Right-click inside the project panel, choose New Item, Adjustment Layer, confirm the settings, and place it above the clips on your timeline. Search for Offset and Gaussian Blur in the Effects panel, then drag both onto the Adjustment layer. Position the playhead right between your two clips, then go back 5 frames. In the Effect Controls panel, enable keyframes for Shift Center 2 and blurriness. Also, set the blur dimensions to horizontal. Jump 10 frames forward, set Shift Center to -1280, and add a second keyframe for blurriness. Move the playhead back to the midpoint and change blurriness to 300. Select all the keyframes, right-click and choose Temporal Interpolation, Bezier. Expand Shift Center and adjust the first keyframe's handle by dragging it slightly down and right. Repeat the same step for the second keyframe on the opposite end.